Now we'll discuss some basic commands in Scratch. The move command under motion block. Click and drag it to the script area. The move command shifts a sprite a defined number of steps ahead on the stage. That means this command will move the sprite in the forward direction on the basis of the number of steps given in this white area. This is the number of steps the sprite will move at once when this script is executed. So if I click on this script once, the sprite will move 10 steps in one go. This movement it is 10 steps. In this white space, this number of times is changeable. That means the user can change it according to his wish. The default value is 10. You can change it, and this is also called as the parameter. This is called the steps parameter or the steps value. Depending on this value, the sprite will move when a mouse is clicked on this command. Now I want my sprite to move 50 steps at one click. So I will change it from 10 to 50. Now if I click on this script once, it will move 50 steps in one click. See, it has moved much larger distance than previous. And 50 means plus 50 means positive 50. Plus means in the forward direction. If I give here minus 50, then it will move in the backward direction. So plus 50 or 50 means it will move forward direction, 50 steps in the forward direction. If I give minus 50, then it will move 50 steps in the backward direction. Now if I click on it, see, it is moving 50 steps backward. Now turn command. This command will produce a rotation in the sprite by a defined angle in degrees. A object can be turned in two ways, in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. To apply it, first I take the clockwise turn command. It is shown turn 15 degrees. This symbol means in the clockwise direction. So if I click on it, the sprite will rotate 15 degrees in the clockwise direction. It has moved. How many times we click, that many times it will rotate. By default it is 15 degrees. If I want to change it, I can change it to any value. 30 degrees I have changed. That means now it will turn 30 degrees in the clockwise direction at one click. See, it is moving more number of degrees than previous value. Now anti-clockwise. For that, we take this one, turn 15 degrees. The symbol is in opposite direction, in the anti-clockwise direction. So this command will take. Now if I click on this, it will move in anti-clockwise direction. At one click. If I want it to rotate more faster in one click, then we'll increase the value. Now at one click it will rotate 30 degrees at once. Now the say command. The say command is available under looks block. Before that, this move, turn, point, these are all related to movement. So this type of instructions that are related to movement are grouped under motion block or motion category. Now say is a command related to some appearance or looks. So say is placed within looks. Click on looks. You can see that say is here. Say, think, show, hide. These are some common commands. Say can be of two types. One is simple say, another is say for defined time. If I select it, you will see that it is written say hello for 2 seconds. These white spaces are the parameters. That means they are changeable, and those within the blue color, they are not changeable. See this white color box, these are changeable, so these are called parameters. You can change the number of seconds from here. I give 15 seconds. Instead of hello you want to write hi, you can write hi. Now click on the block palette or script. See, it is saying hi. You can see the yellow highlight. That means the program is still executing. When the yellow highlight will be over, then the program will stop execution. It is for 15 seconds. See, 15 seconds is over, so the yellow highlight also vanishes and the program execution has stopped. And so the sprite has stopped saying hello or hi. Now if I use this say and remove this one, here there is no defined time. That means it will go on saying hello. No time limit is there. If I click on it, see, it will say hello for the entire time. There is no time limit. So if you have a desired time, then you use this hello with time limit, and if you don't want any time limit, you can use this simple hello. Similar to say, there is think. Think also two types. One is simple think. It will go on thinking. Another is think for 2 seconds. You can change the number of seconds from here, and you can also change the text that the sprite is thinking. You can change it to anything you want. Suppose I have written here yes and change the time to 5. That means it will think in his mind. It will think yes in his mind for 5 seconds. If I now execute it, see, it is thinking yes for 5 seconds, and then after that the program execution is stopped. Now change color effect. This command is also available under the looks block, as it will change the color of the sprite each time you click on the sprite. So here under looks block, move some downward and you will get it this one, change color effect, drag and drop it. For each click on the script, you can notice a change in color of the sprite. I'm clicking and it is changing color for each click. So during execution of a Scratch program, this script helps to change the color of the sprite.